I'm Romil. Learn with me and grow together. Hi friends, let's start today's story. Title is You would not experience sadness during difficult times. This moment will also come to an end. Once a king gathered his wise men and asked if there was a single mantra or piece of advice that would help him in all situations, whether in joy or sorrow, victory or defeat. The wise men think over deeply, and after much discussion, one elder suggested a solution. They presented the king with a piece of paper, but instructed him only to read it in times of extreme danger when he felt completely alone. The king agreed and placed the paper under his diamond ring. Time passed, and soon the neighboring king launched an attack. Despite the bravery of the king and his army, they lost the battle. The king fled on horseback, pursued by the enemy. Eventually, he found himself at a dead end, standing on a cliff with a 1,000-foot drop. Jumping would mean certain death, and there was no way to turn back. As the sound of running horses grew closer, panic set in. In that moment, the king noticed the sunlight reflecting off his diamond ring. He remembered the hidden message and opened the ring to read it. The words said, "This too shall pass." He read it again and suddenly realized everything is temporary. Just day before, he had ruled a kingdom, and now he was running for his life. This dangerous moment would pass, just as the good times had. Feeling a sense of calm wash over him, he looked around and saw the natural beauty of his surroundings, which he had never appreciated before. The noise of enemy began to fade as they moved on, allowing him to reorganize his troop. With changed courage, he fought back and reclaimed his kingdom. Upon his return, the people celebrated widely, showering him with flowers and singing his praises. In the midst of celebration, pride began to swell within him. Just then the sunlight caught his diamond ring again, reminding him of the message. He opened the ring and read, "This too shall pass." Instantly his behavior changed. He felt a wave of humility. He understood that neither defeat nor victory truly belongs to him. He was merely an observer of life, retreat and flow. As he reflected on his experience, he realized that everything in life is temporary. Joy and sorrow are simply two sides of the same coin, both fleeting. Nothing is permanent. All things change. He recognized that even his current problems would eventually fade. When faced with tough times, he would remember, "This too shall pass." It was a powerful reminder that life is a series of moments, and he was simply a witness to its all. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe.